Meaning of fiduciary.
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 Fiduciary. Fiduciary refers to a person or organization that is entrusted with the responsibility of acting in the best interest of another party. This includes managing assets, providing advice, or making decisions on behalf of the other party. Fiduciaries are legally obligated to prioritize the interests of their clients or beneficiaries above their own, and to act with honesty, loyalty, and care. Failure to do so can result in legal or financial penalties. As such, fiduciary relationships are characterized by a high level of trust and transparency, and play an important role in many areas of law and finance.